So if you've been following the news, you would have seen that there were a bunch of storms going through the Midwest. That was us.
When we talk about Sunday and Monday, we are going to total that to 25 tornadoes that touched down across northern Illinois and northwest Indiana.
So this is the day after. So we'll walk around and I'll show you. Not too bad with some of the damage that we have. Our pear tree survived, but it dropped a lot of pears on the ground. And from experience, we'll have to pick those up because they start to stink really bad. Our grass needs mowed because we haven't been able to get out here in so long. This is Maggie digging to China. Hey, what are you doing in there, huh? What a mess. So we're walking out to the pasture. Look here. We lost a big maple tree. So we'll have to come in here once everything dries and cut this baby up. But I don't know if the winds were strong enough just to plain old knock it down, or if this thing had an issue, see? This tells me that maybe this tree had an issue. Val's trying to pick up some of her flowers that had tipped over. I didn't get a chance to look at the weather station to see what our winds were, but I think they were pretty strong. Well, look at the wing on this dragonfly. Yeah. Yeah. We brought all our furniture in that was out here, which is probably a good idea. Oh, you brought the, oh, is that hanging or did you bring it down? Good for you. Here's something that's a kind of a bummer. Got a lot of spider webs on it. Might be able to pull it up.
Push it up and prop it.
Yeah. I probably can't push it up, but I probably could pull it up. And then prop it up with a stick or something, you're saying? Yeah.
A ladder.
Yeah. Oh, I'm stepping on apples. What a shame. Where are you going to put these? Underneath the tree? These apples? Oh. So later on, we'll get a rope and we'll put it on here. We'll pull this up and prop it up and see if it can be saved. Now, this tree here didn't fall over, but if you remember, this was the tree that was leaning originally. And the problem we're going to have with this tree is it leaned back. It went back over. It just, the ground just got so soft. Look, see? The ground just got so soft. And Val suggested a stick or something underneath there, so we're going to have to do that. The blueberries made it, but the netting it wasn't very happy, huh? Knocked down a bunch of milkweed, which is no big deal. Oh, look at this. Blew up. It cleaned off all the straw. Yeah. Oh, this pumpkin looks like it's doing pretty good, huh?
Yep.
So we need the tractor, some poles with V's in them, and some more staples, right? Hey, check this out too. Repair. There you go. The ground is just unbelievably soft. How much was in that rain gauge, did you say?
When I emptied 3/4 of an inch this morning,
Yeah,
I emptied
4 inches.
4 and 3/4 of an inch yesterday.
So she emptied 4 3/4 of an inch yesterday, and then last night we had another 3/4. Wow, my feet are soaking wet too, by the way. Oh, look at this. Dragonfly. Oh, there you go. What's nice about these, you can just push them back. There we go. Want to bring the wagon first?
Have to, it's the only way.
Yeah. Just back it up. I'll grab it here. Oh, she's back. Hi.
Did you bring the steak up?
I did. Congratulations to me, right?
It only took you a year.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, these would definitely would have blown away, right? This is where your cart turned over. That's why all that stuff's there. You know what? For as cheap as these chairs and stuff were, these things are really lasting, right?
Yeah.
They've been in the winter, they've been in the summer, they've been in the rain. What you doing, Maggers? What you doing, huh? What you doing? How's that work for you? Yeah, oh yeah. Yep, exactly. You did it. All right. And that thing really never really moves, you know what I
It
mean?
has smoke in it.
Yeah. Oh, look at Cosmo.
His bike.
His bike took a turn. Here's Chicken Prison. Oh, look how everything's got blown up. And, oh yeah, see here. Some broken pieces. Probably the best thing to do with this is nothing. And just let Mother Nature take its course. Of course, these ones on the ground, I'm not moving. I'm just getting them out of the lawnmower's way. All the bees are hunkered down in here. Here's some more. This is like a waterfall. This is like a waterfall. Oh yeah. Definitely a pumpkin. Where? Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. It's funny how much this settled, right? Crazy? Everything went nuts, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, when we planted this, Val made sure that I put a lot of spacing in here, and I was complaining about it. I wanted them close together. But boy, am I glad now. Because look how much they've grown. Just all different kinds of Romas, tomatillos, peppers. Yeah, you can sure identify those Romas just by their shape. Oh, this don't look too bad. Just a couple milkweeds down. Oh, look. The lily pad sign broke off. You know, I have to say we are very lucky because this ain't nothing for damage, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's much worse. I don't know if that's gonna stay. Oh, poor Kaz. Yeah. He probably needs the tractor to come push this pole deeper because this shouldn't have moved. Oh, yeah. We'll wait till we get the tractor out here. We'll get him set right. It really tore these things up. But they bend right back. Hey, are you finding something over there? Maggie, what do you got? Huh? What do you got? Hey, Maggie, hey. Hey! Are you focused? Focused. This is why we got her, so she can root out all those little critters. The lilies? Yeah. Just think what they'll look like next year. I can smell them. Oh, yeah. Even the sign. It's now a flat oval. You know what? One thing.
Right here.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty. Look at that grass, and you just mowed this. Not even a week ago. Here's one thing that I'm surprised about, that this trellis still stands after all the wind. And when we first put it out here, it had blown over, but then we went ahead and made this like deck on it. And then we drove these long pieces of rebar in there. Man, look at this wisteria. It is just crazy, right? Yeah, we just did this the other day. Came out here and twisted all these. They're very pretty though. Oh, we got a couple flowers too. For your information, this is the northwest. So the winds came from the northwest that way. So coming right onto us here. And as you can see by the trees, the trees point the way.
And then it swirled around.
Yep, and then swirling everywhere. Look at this, we just mowed this. Look at this. Queen Anne's lace. I mean, not even a week ago. Of course, we've been gone, but still. Oh, our poor sunflowers. I came out here and I saw these earlier and it really made me sad. See how they're all blown over. But from experience, you leave them alone. We lost, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this row. And this row we're not sure of yet. Well, at least 1, 2. But we'll have to wait and see how they fare. There's a bunch of sticks sitting over there because a couple years ago this happened and we propped them up and it didn't seem to make a difference. And the broomcorn still stands. And just
So here.
the wind.
Yeah.
Yep. This is the corridor, the wind corridor.
Right here, because there goes the tree.
Yep.
There goes the maple tree. And right in here.
Dang. Oh, and a Japanese beetle trap fell over there.
Oh,
Yeah, that one did, yeah. Alrighty.
I think there are any escapes.
That one, probably we're all dead. Let's go to the front yard. Yeah, just a lot of sticks here, huh? Oh, I see a branch right there. See a big branch? Now don't be pulling out the sticks. We just put them there. Come on. You keep her with you, okay? I'll have to come out here and get this done. Looks pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'm going to show you our fairy ring. They just pop up overnight. So back here, not much damage at all, just a lot of sticks. And I think we didn't have a lot of damage back here because we had these trees all trimmed a couple of years ago. So most of the dead stuff should be already down. Now we're back in the front of the house, and that's that tree I showed you earlier, leaning this way. We were very lucky. It fell right in between the bushes and the other trees. But then look at all the sticks we got out here, see? So this tree has been pretty much cleaned out, all the dead stuff. Anyway, we better go in, change our clothes, and put some work clothes on. Looks like we got a job ahead of us. Anyway, we're very blessed that we didn't get a lot of damage as much as other people did. This is just maybe a day's work picking all this stuff up. And with Bevy and the tractor, I'll have that tree cut up and moved probably within an hour. So anyway, hey, oh yeah, there's some more branches over there. Thanks for watching. Let's see if this dog's doing. What are you doing? Are you eating bugs? Hey. Are you eating bugs? Hey. She doesn't listen when she's eating bugs. That's a good one.